Okay, so here is the first day of learning Python, and I've decided to go with Python because I think it's probably the most versatile language, and lack of boilerplate will make it easier to start with some basic algorithms and data structures. The reason why I'm saying it is because I'm also very interested in game development, and I was wondering whether it would be worth just jumping right into the Unity and .NET. But I think it's much better to start with Python. I also have some ideas I would like to try out in Python, and it's just such a versatile language with so many libraries. From what I checked, that it's the best to go this route. I decided to start with lead code. I think it's ultimately the best way to learn some basic algorithmic thinking, and I think that it's the type of skill which you can then take anywhere else and apply it. So I'm not gonna be doing libraries now. I'm just gonna try to do that. And I picked one of the first random easy ones. And the way I work with AI and with IDE is that I found a shortcut to disable this copilot stuff, because I realized that's almost impossible to learn anything because you immediately get suggested solution, which is fine, but you never can write. So I decided to have a shortcut for disabling and enabling them. Thanks, Gemini, for telling me how. I set it up to Control Alt A, and I've decided to go, and I basically go to the suggested solution. I just wrote it down. Then I wrote it on a paper to really memorize the syntax. So I never have to think about it again, which sounds very old school and very analog and slow and boring. But I think even more than before AI, it's really important to slow down and go with the basics. I think it's gonna be more and more relevant in any field where AI is affecting the inputs. So I basically just went in, I rewrote it a couple times, I understood it, I asked some questions. I generally plan to have another AI chat just for discussing it, but I would like to all write it myself, and then as I have more vocabulary, I'd like to of course come up with my own ideas how to extend the program and move forward. So that's the main flow. Of course, like learn more shortcuts in Visual Code. Maybe eventually start using some Vim plugin, which I learned is very popular, and move forward in the basic algorithmic domain, and also come up with some interesting real life solutions I would look to come up with. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and keep being tuned up. I will be posting more. Cheers, bye.